Hey everyone, welcome to the very first video on the Restro Garage YouTube channel. I'm thrilled to share my automotive journey with you all. In this video, I'll take you through how I fell in love with cars, my early experiences, and the very first project car of my dreams. I hope you enjoy. If most of you don't know, I run a detailing business, a business that I started about a year ago. It all started when I joined a class called CEO, which was something that is new to my high school currently. I'm a senior. I did it last year for my junior year. As I said already, it's called CEO. It's basically an entrepreneur type class that teaches you all of the business aspects in the world that people don't really know of, that you don't really get taught from normal classes. It's something new they were doing and they were trying out that's been done before. Anyway, with the class, I decided to do mobile detailing because I wanted to be more hands-on with cars, and mechanics didn't really seem like the way to go right away. You know, you got to go to college for that, stuff like that. I don't really know anybody in the industry, so I couldn't just go to a shop and start working on cars. Now, I have my own main vehicle that I do maintenance on that I've learned quite a bit from, but cleaning cars was a way for me to be so hands-on that I learned kind of how things worked, you know, some electrical stuff actually, because I pulled a car apart once not that long ago. But it sparked a lot more interest in working on cars hands-on. The business was a complete fail. I did make a decent chunk of money off of it, but I mean the area, the places we live in around, detailing is so well known, so popular. There's just too many people doing it, if I'm being honest. But I did that, and I saved up a lot of money. And randomly one day, a car showed up on Facebook Marketplace that I couldn't pass up because I have been dreaming of buying one of these cars for a very long time, and the fact that it was in my town shocked me. Very, very high price. I initially messaged the guy. I told him I was interested. I wanted to come look at the car. Was able to talk him down. Thank the Lord I was able to talk him down because I would not have been able to afford it. But without further ado, here's the car. It is a 1986 Camaro Z28 with an aftermarket 350 small block engine, not the small 305. I know the cars are known for being extraordinarily slow, but luckily this one has already been engine swapped. It also has been manual swapped. The car originally was automatic, so that should make a lot of you happy, hopefully. The goal is to make this car much faster than stock, because I think they produced around like 205 horsepower or something, just some stupid number because of the oil crisis or something at that time. The car is very much not in the greatest shape. I mean, it's a car I can afford. Come on. It's not going to run well. I will create a whole separate video, which will be the next video, on everything that's good and everything that is bad with the car. The next one will be like actually out in depth with the vehicle, not as a webcam, but just as a introduction of myself and this YouTube channel. I wanted to be more in person in like a webcam form. So the Camaro, like I said, is a 350 small block. It's a V8, and luckily the model is a Z28. Unfortunately, not an IROC, but those are starting to get very pricey. Very pricey, unfortunately. I plan on doing a full restoration. I want to completely transform this thing. I mean, I will probably spend all my money and probably go into debt, but at least I'll be happy with a fast car, right? I think a lot of guys can probably say they're doing the same thing. But as the months go by, hopefully by spring, it'll be running well. It runs and drives not well. It needs a tune-up bad. That will all be discussed in the next video, but I just wanted you guys to know that I'm excited. I want to post this online. I want everybody to be involved. I want to see what interest people find in this. And I'm hoping to make a community. I've made YouTube channels in the past. I've started a business. I'm going to start more. I'm going to keep trying until something succeeds. Because I don't know. I'm excited. I want to see how this will go. I had a whole script laid out, and I realized I'm not doing that. I can't read scripts. I look like a robot. I'm me. I'm doing me. And that's what we're doing. So I'm going to skip to a few more little pictures, snippets, for just to egg you on to the next video, and we'll see you then. Peace.